Viewers, welcome to Murads kitchen. Today we're gonna show you how to make pap biryani. This is very special occasions. Today is Valentine's Day, so we are planning to make some special dish. It's called pap biryani. For that, you need onion, garlic ginger paste, you need coriander, cumin, garam masala, chili powder, and whole garam masala. We're gonna add some oil to the pan. We add all our whole garam masala. Then to the onion. Salt. That's our ginger, garlic, chili powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, and garam masala. Now we're going to add our meat. Viewers, my meat is nearly ready. Now I'm gonna add couple of teaspoons of Greek style yogurt, and we're gonna mix them. Dear viewers, now we're gonna show you. First of all, we put some oil, and I'm gonna add a little bit of oil at the same time. Whole garam masala, cinnamon, bay leaf, and cardamom. I'm going to add some ginger paste, some garlic paste, put my rice. Always remember, the secret of the rice is you got some recipes they say 1 part of rice and 2 part of water. Personally, I prepare 1 part of rice and 1.5 part of water. So basically, if you got 1 cup of rice, you add 1.5 cup of water. So then you're gonna have a beautiful, lovely rice. Now I'm gonna add my water. Viewers, this is the time to cover it. You cover it until they are cooked. Viewers, that's our pilau rice is ready. Basically, we put 1 cup of rice, 1.5 cup of water. That's the basic measurement for it. So it's ready. Now we're gonna assemble it. We're gonna put some ghee in every layer. We're gonna add some rose water, some kewra water, layer it with the meat now. Now we're gonna put the rice again on top. We're gonna put the ghee again. We need some kewra water, little bit of rose water. We're gonna layer with the meat again. We're gonna cover it and keep it in the slow flame for at least half an hour. Very, very slow flame. Or if you got an oven, you can put it in the oven. Viewers, we're gonna brush a cake tin with some butter. Now we're gonna put in the cake tin our puff pastry. Viewers, our biryani is ready. Now we're gonna take this biryani in our puff pastry pot. We're gonna layer it with the meat and we put the rice and the biryani there and the meat. Now we're gonna cover it. Viewers, we're gonna egg wash it. Viewers, now this one is going to go to the oven for 25 minutes, 180 degrees. Let's go to the... Viewers, it just come out of the oven after 20 minutes. Look at that, how beautiful they look. We're going to take it out from the tin now. Viewers, we just take it out from the cake tin. Look at my puff biryani. Oh, we're going to carve it now. Viewers, have a look at it. Wow, look at that, how beautiful they look. Lovely, and look at the rice, the layer of meat, rice. Look at that, crispy pastry, how wonderful they're gonna be. That's my wonderful puff biryani. I can't wait. Enjoy and bon appetit. Beautiful pub biryani. Enjoy. Viewers, it tastes really delicious. Enjoy and bon appetit. This is our Valentine pub biryani. Enjoy and bon appetit.